Alright guys, so greetings to you from Genius IT. I am putting together this short tutorial to teach you on how to use the Google Classroom in managing your classworks and then your assignment and stuff like that. So after you've downloaded the app and you've joined the class using the link that is shared to you, you get this point by first of all logging into Google. So you open a browser like Chrome, get into Google, and that is if you're going to use your laptop to do the operation. Now right at the top right corner here we have this small menu button here, Google Apps. When you click on it, you can scroll down and you would find Classroom. You click on the Classroom app and it opens you the portal where you can find all the classes that you have joined. So you can see I have some class created for me over here to join, which I have actually joined. That is why they are showing up here. Now to proceed, I'm going to do so by selecting one of the classes here. So I'm going to click on GITB Lead Essentials for it to open for me, right? So all these operations are done on the computer here, unless I'm using my phone. That is where I'm going to use the app to do that. So here we have three different tabs. The first tab is Stream, second tab is Classwork, and the third tab is People. Now if you log into your Classroom for the first time, or anytime you log into your Classroom, you have all these comments over here. This is more like a chat room. You can drop your own chats and make comments and interact over here. So you can click right here. Okay, you can click here and then type a comment which you can share later. Alright, so you can see it here. So this is a comment. When you are done, you can post it from here. You can equally do that by going through your drive or adding a YouTube link or uploading a file with this, or attaching any link at all that you want to attach to your comments in the stream. So this is a stream tab. Now when you move to the classwork tab, this is where you're going to find all the classworks that you've been sent or you are required to do. The classworks will come in tabs. You can see them all here: MS Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint. We have Python programming, website development, introduction. So per the category of courses you're going to be doing, there may be tabs or category tabs that you're going to see, which will list all the assignments you're supposed to work on and submit when they are ready. Alright, so how do you assess your assignments and do them and submit? Let's say we have this website development assignment right here, website development module review. So when I click on the assignment right now, it's going to load for me like this. So you can see the posted dates and then the little instruction that is attached to this. Now when you click on it, when you click on the view instructions, it's going to load the assignment for you, and over here you're going to see the points that you're going to accumulate once you are done submitting your assignment. So this is 100-point assignment. The due date was this particular date here. Okay, so if you have a due date to an assignment, you make sure that you submit the work on or before the date and then the time. Alright, it's very crucial. Then this is what the assignment actually is. It could be a link that you're supposed to visit, it could be a form you fill, it could be a document you work on in Word or so and submit through the Classroom. Now you can send two types of comments. If you want to make a comment that the entire class would see pertaining to this assignment, you can click on add class comment over here. You can type the comment here and post it. Everybody will see it. This is the submit button here. But if you want to send the comment to the instructor or whoever posted this assignment, you go to the right side here and click on add comment to Genius IT Brainery, private comment. You click on this goes straight as a private comment. You can see it right here, private comment. It goes to the instructor. This here is what? Class comment. Everybody will see the comments you've made on this particular assignment. Now if you are done doing your assignment, you're going to add or create the assignment over here. So when I click on add or create, these are all the links that are made available for me. Yes, they are made available for me to select from. It could be a Google Docs, which means you're going to work from your doc online direct, or slides for PowerPoint, sheets for Excel, drawings for artwork. That is all purely online. Or you could pick a file. So if it's a work you've done in Microsoft Word or Excel separately on your PC, you can upload the file from here by clicking on this, look for the file, drag it, drop it inside here, it loads in here, you select it and upload. After you finish uploading your work, 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5 documents, if it's more than one, you do that, and when you're done, you click on mark as done. And when you click on mark as done, it's going to ask you to mark as done or turn in. Okay, turn in. If you see turn in, you turn it in. If you see mark as done, you click on mark as done, and then your assignment is submitted. Alright, so let me go back. At the left side here, you can still see all your classes here. So I'm going to click on classroom once again, go back to my essentials class. Under the people tab, you could see all your colleagues in the class with you, and you can see some of the students we had in the past, and then their names and stuff are here. So when you join the class, you could track or see you right here in on the people tab. So you have the stream. All assignments that are submitted will appear here as well, and then you'll be notified inside your email. Upcoming, if there's any upcoming assignment or test or anything scheduled, you see all of them line up over here at the left side of the classroom for you. When you go to calendar over here, you would see all the assignments scheduled for you. So if you have deadlines, due dates, all the scheduled assignments will appear inside your calendar, and you can track it right from your phone as well to know what is up and coming for you. So in a nutshell, this is how the Google Classroom works. It's not complicated, it's very simple to do. If you come to the stream, you find out that all your comments are here, including all assignments that have been posted. There's one over here. Genius IT Brainery posted a new assignment, Excel assignment 2. So this is an assignment that has been posted. An assignment 2 has been posted, which is what Genius IT Brainery posted a new assignment. This is website development module review. So all these are stuff that have been posted onto the classroom, and they appear here for you right away. And it also appears in your email for you to be able to follow from there, and then read the instructions and be able to submit the work also. So if you have any question, you can contact me or any of the administrators directly, and we'll be able to help you out, understand it further. So take your time, go through this over and over and again, and get used to using the software to manage the works that you'll be doing whilst you are in class. Thank you so much. I'm Desmond, and I'll see you soon. Bye.